Good morning, my betas. It's currently like 3:50, and this is gonna happen. Well, this is happening before the actual vlog happens. But I just want to let you guys know before the vlog happens that I'm gonna be going to South Carolina, Myrtle Beach for a week, a total of 7 days with my family. We're gonna be renting out this beach house, and I'm gonna try to document as much as I can. I'm probably not gonna be able to get that much like water footage because my camera, I do have my phone, but that's kind of complicated. But yeah, let's get this vlog started.
What we do here is go back.
Alright, my betas, I just woke up. It's currently 9:23 and we're at IHOP right now. We're gonna go eat together. I think it says we're gonna reach around like 12 o'clock, but our like room or whatever we're staying in actually opens at 4, so we have a lot of time to waste and just burn. So we're probably just gonna go chill in IHOP right now. So we're officially in South Carolina. We're not exactly at Myrtle Beach yet. We're just here at the beach house rental place. So we're gonna be staying we're gonna be staying in this like really big beach house like near the beach. So lot of beach time, bro. We about to get burned, bro. But should be lit. I'll catch you guys up. Quick update, my betas. It's currently 3:53. Last time that I talked to you guys, it was around 2 something. So yes, we have been in this car for over an hour. I don't know what's going on. I haven't been inside the rental place. I might actually go inside to check on what's going on with my family, but yeah. Supposedly we were supposed to wait, I guess, till 4 o'clock to get the keys to get into the beach house rental, but I guess they assumed that they would give us early, but they didn't, so I guess just waiting till 4. So we got like 7 minutes till 4, so I'm just really tired. I fell asleep like 4 times in the car. My sleep schedule is destroyed, bruh.
Everything falls into place. The minute you leave and give me space. I wanna know how it feels to live and let go without being put in the
Yo, the house. They ain't leave yet, I think. Holy crap, that's tall. Whoa. Alright, my vid is super hot and I'm wearing a hoodie. Not very smart. But this is our room. We got the bunk beds in here. Feel me? I'm not gonna give you guys the house tour yet because we're still like bringing stuff inside the house, and there's 3 floors, so that's not cool. But after we're done bringing everything up, then I will give you guys a full house tour, each floor, each room. But yeah, for now, I'll see you guys soon. Alright, my betas. We got done packing everything. Everything's inside now. I think we're gonna do a house tour. Yo, it's dumb dark in here. Why are you sitting in the dark by yourself? Bro, you good? Yeah. You good? No, talk to me, bro. Talk to me, bro. What's up, man? What's up? Alright. House tour. So this right here is our room. I already told you guys that. Stuff to do the laundry. I have no idea what this is. I think this is a bathroom. Yeah, this is a bathroom. It's a shower. I like that. PS4 there. This is my uncle's room. Uncle Kevin with his stuff with little Look at this hype beast. Look at this hype beast. Kevin. We don't rock Supreme. Alright, now we got these spiral stairs. So let's go up these spiral stairs. This is the living room.
Hey.
This is the kitchen. This is where all of the games, the drinking, and the food gonna happen. In this beautiful kitchen right here. Kitchen kind of lit though, I ain't gonna hold you. There's this part up here, and that's where we're going next. But first, there's multiple rooms. So
I like garlic bread.
there's a room in here. Flat screen TV, nice bed. You feel me? You feel me? Got this room.
I don't look cute at all.
You always look cute.
Okay.
You got
pick out your clothes.
this
I don't
room.
have to pick it out for you, but bring all your. So when I put all your things, this is your drawer.
Another bathroom in here.
Go and bring it, and let me put the rest of your stuff in. And then your towel, I'm gonna hang it up.
They got a flat screen TV. I like that. Alright, now we go upstairs. Alright, now this is the upstairs part. As you see, you can look down there, up there. There's a dining table up here. Probably gonna have some games, some eating up here, some chilling. We got a fan. Oh my god, it's so hot. Whew. The TV playing The Mummy. Feel me? Got the nice chairs. We got the lamp, bro. We got the nice chairs, the couches. This weirdly designed couch, but okay. We got lizards in the house too, as you see. We got this walkway. All right, now we're gonna go outside to the roof. Now this is what I like to call the relaxing spot. We got 2 chairs up here.
Where is outside?
I mean, it's kind of hot. Now, let me do my tour in peace. There's the roof. You know, the neighbors over there. Pretty nice view from up here. It's pretty nice, pretty nice. The beach is like over there somewhere. But yeah, we got those stairs and pretty cool. I'm gonna work my way down here now. This is going back down to the 2nd floor. See the roof right here. And my camera quality isn't that good right now, I don't know why. But they have these tree things right here. That's the other stairs to go to the 1st floor. There's a door right here. You take this door. It's open, thank God. There's this door right here. And then we're back. 2nd floor.
A few moments.
I am about to whoop all these kids in Uno. I am about to whoop them all.
It's a tough one.
I'm about to whoop them all.
Cut this pack, bro. Cut that pack, bro. Are we going by points? No. Can I hold it up? Whoever wins the most games. So, like,
I'll just hold it.
hey, your name? Mexico shopper, man. Top shopper. People, how much cards y'all have?
6.
Shit.
6.
4, 5, 6. I got 6. Yo, that shit vlogging?
Yeah.
But your lens off.
No, it's not. It's on.
Basically what happened here is that she misdealed the cards and she was trying to make sure that my camera was off because she wasn't trying to get exposed. But guess what, fam? You got exposed, chief.
It be like that sometimes.
All right, this time we got it right. Yeah. What? Everybody, I'm about to whoop Ryan, y'all. Ryan, play, man. We ain't got time. Yo. Wait, what? Draw 2, Joker. handle that.
And if I play draw 2 day,
You can play it.
I know. So you talking
But you
about
don't
draw-
have it.
I had draw 6.
What do you mean draw 6?
You can't get draw 6. They don't make a
You
You can have doubles. We can have doubles.
I put 3 double 2.
You don't have that. You could talk when you don't have it.
But what if he has it?
And it ain't coming
I
to
need
me.
to sit on there.
Come.
She talking. Let me drop all these and she.
Drop it. I'm about that. I can back it up.
Add it, bro.
Dang,
Add it,
Ryan. Dang, Ryan.
Why y'all doing my boy like that though?
But I thought you said you
Bro.
gonna
That's
beat him.
4. Ooh.
Oh my god, bro.
Alright, my bitches, this is most likely the end of vlog number 1 or just day 1 because outside it's raining right now. So it's raining really hard. It's like thundering and pretty sure it's like a thunderstorm and stuff. So this is gonna be it for day 1. Day 2 is probably gonna be a little bit more better and a little bit more organized. I'm sorry guys, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And if this isn't the end of the video, then you're probably not even seeing this. But yeah.